हेलो प्यारे साथियों, वंडर टिप्स चैनल आज आपके लिए लाया है एक बहुत ही शानदार एजुकेशनल वीडियो। और वो है कि हम इंग्लिश को कैसे बोलना सीखें। इसमें दोस्तों मैं बता दूं आपको कि आपको कुछ बातों का खास ध्यान रखना है, एंड देन यू विल बी स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। तो तैयार हैं आप? अगर तैयार हैं तो लेट अस स्टार्ट इट। My dear friends, before you speak, just keep in mind that you will always have to be confident and fearless. When you are fearless, you can speak any English. Some efforts definitely you will have to take, and you will be taking in those efforts that you will be emphasizing that I have to learn fluent English speaking. After that, some more points. The main topic is that you will have to practice, practice, and practice. If you will do practice daily, minimum 1 hour, you will see that after some time you are going ahead of your friends. No doubt about it. Just see how we can do it better. Everything you will have, every time you will have to think that you are the best speaker, you are the best fluent master. How? You will be listening YouTube videos, audios, newspapers reading, magazine reading, and lot of other things you will have to do. And in that, you will have to see how in discussions in our groups, meetups, in offices, or wherever you go, in your classes, masterminds, you will have to speak in a wonderful manner. When we will be doing like this, mind it, you will become master of English speaking. But it does not mean that it will be done within 2 to 3 months. It may take 5 to 6 months. So don't worry. You are on the right track when you have started thinking that you will have to speak about this. My dear friends, you will make a lot of mistakes. Don't worry at all. Mistakes are made in the starting. Tell me the person who is not making mistakes when he is doing any job first time. So nothing to worry. But in that way, you will have to learn each and every. Make special copy wherever you feel that you have to note it down without any problem. Celebrate every success. Suppose you have given very wonderful talk in your meetups or in your personal, when you are standing in front of mirror also, where you are practicing daily minimum 30 minutes to 45 minutes, you will be learning lot of things. Speak loudly. Think that in room nobody is there, because that is going to give you the fluency, and your tongue, mouth, and every action will be helping you in that way. My dear friends, major thing which we lack is that we first think in Hindi, then we translate it. That is not a good thing. What you will have to do, you will have to think in English. बट इन द स्टार्टिंग आपको लगेगा कि ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बट नथिंग टू वरी, क्योंकि आप इंग्लिश में अपना दिन कैसे बनाते हैं, सुबह कैसे उठे, आपने आई, जिस तरह कहेंगे आई स्लीप अर्ली एंड वेक अप अर्ली, देन यू विल ड्रिंक lukewarm water, then you will give gratitude. Means everything, when you will start thinking in English, I tell you, my dear friends, within 15 days you will be getting lot of advantage, lot of changes in your thinking process and your English speaking powers. My dear friends, after that you will think in the night before going to the bed, yes, what I have learned today, what I have done, how much we can do, where I have to reach and now where I am at present. जब आप ये सोच लेंगे तो समझ लीजिए आपके 4 चांद इंग्लिश बोलने के ऊपर लगेंगे। मैं कभी कभी बीच बीच में जो हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ, इसका सिर्फ पॉइंट क्या है कि आप थोड़ा सा और अच्छी तरह से समझ पाएँ। जिनको इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी तरह से आती है, फ्लुएंटली आती है, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है दोस्तों। जिनको स्टार्ट है, बिगिनर्स हैं, उनको थोड़ी दिक्कत आ सकती है। इसमें चाहे हाउसवाइफ हो, चाहे किचन मेकर हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, जो मैं तरीका बता रहा हूँ करीब करीब इसी तरह से हर एक ने सीखा है। आई टेल यू, इन 1977 roughly, not 77, 79, I thought that I will have to speak English fluently. What I did for 3 months are the main points which I am doing and telling you today. No fear. Think that whatever you are speaking, you are the master. That's all. Speak wrong. No problem. Now, as compared to that time, there was no recording. But now, my dear friends, you are having recording in your phone. You are having apps. You can do any damn thing you can improve. Review it, analyze it, and make corrections accordingly for the success in speaking English fluently. After that, I would say don't go after pronunciation in the starting. Don't go after grammar anytime. I tell you, I have seen some kids from foreign origin or the persons who are from, say, well-to-do English-speaking family. You will find that every time they are speaking wonderful words. No grammar, no pronunciation, but they are speaking like you are speaking Hindi. So what is the problem? You can speak, you can talk, you can discuss, you can practice, because आपको ये सोचना है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे। अगर आप ऐसा ही सोचते रहेंगे कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, तो दोस्तों मज़ा आने वाला नहीं है। क्योंकि लोग जो सोचते हैं उससे आपको हट के सोचना है। अगर आपने वही सोचा जो लोग सोचते हैं, तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे। इसलिए इंग्लिश अगर बोलनी सीखनी है तो आपको पूरे एफर्ट्स अपने डालने ही पड़ेंगे। और आप अगर ये वीडियो सुन रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब आपके अंदर मेरे लिए गलतियां निकालना नहीं, आप अपने लिए कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं। आई थिंक यू आर एग्री टू माई दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सो नाउ लेट अस कम टू सम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट्स। मीटअप्स मैंने बताया है कि आप अपने ग्रुप्स में बोलिए, कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलिए। आज पहला दिन है, हो सकता है सही ना बोल पाए, मतलब आफ्टर 15 to 20 days, लेकिन फिर आप कुछ भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोल सकते हैं। और दोस्तों मैं आपको एक चीज़ और बता दूं, जब मैं 1975-77 में सीख रहा था तो उस टाइम में इंग्लिश की कमेंट्री जरूर सुनता था। उस टाइम टीवी में नहीं होती थी। सुरेश सुरैया, आई थिंक ही वॉज द पर्सन, एंड आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन क्रिकेट, and he was telling Madan Lal is going to bowl to Vivian Richards, and now 4 runs from mid of boundary. All the best. So now let's see, Kapil Dev is coming for his next ball from the bowler's end, and he has bowled Vivian Richards. So my dear friends, that learning, that listening gave me the courage, and I thought, what I can speak, I am the master of speaking fluent English. So similarly, you will have to practice, and when you will be practicing, no problem, nothing can deviate you. And my dear friends, when you will be doing commentary, I will also advise one more thing. You are always doing meditation. Do it for a little more time, because your concentration will improve. Whatever I am telling you, I have collected all these points from my thought process and my life. Because I never thought that I cannot speak good English. I have spoken English in front of 5,000 people also. There is no problem, you will also speak. But don't think that it is a 1 day job or 1 month job. It will take time, but definitely you will be improving because you have gone after it. You will record and improve, analyze. You will enjoy your this learning process. If you are not enjoying doing any job what you want to do, then how you will improve? दोस्तों, जो भी हम काम करते हैं शिद्दत से करते हैं, प्यार से करते हैं, दिल से करते हैं, तो वो काम आप करके रहेंगे और कोई आपको हरा नहीं सकता। अगर आपके जहन में ये बातें घर कर रही हैं and you are able to understand what I am telling, nobody can stop you, my dear friends. Learn daily, slowly. Don't think that you will have to speak so fast like me. No, you can speak like this because in US, London, some people are speaking fast, but it is not everywhere that people are speaking fast. If you will talk slowly, they will understand. Similarly, in my textile industry, my dear friends, whenever big parties were coming, I was making minutes of meeting. And when some foreigners were coming and they were speaking too fast, I was telling them, my dear friends, please speak slowly so that I can write down. So then they were coming in the mode of dictation. But whatever I was thinking, I was able to improve my English. I was able to get my work done. If suppose some replacement of the spare parts of machine parts was to be taken, it was done without any hitch because we were on the same page. My dear friends, life coach VK Chaudhary, motivational speaker, thinks that you can do anything on this universe. Universe is having every power for you. It is only you which you have to decide that how we have to carry out our work in the right direction. And now you are on the right track and you are going to do it. In front of mirror, as I have told earlier also, you will have to speak loudly. Say 10-minute session, again 10-minute session, record, see and improve. And one more thing, you speak in front of your family members. But there may be some problem that some family members might not be speaking English fluently. So nothing to worry. Talk with your friends. Make some WhatsApp groups. These days we are having a lot of good, apps where you can do. Similarly, Cambly is the art where you can speak for 10 minutes, 199 per month. But I would not advise you to go for that. It is not necessary to invest all these things. You can be a Clubhouse member. Clubhouse is a wonderful thing where 24/7 we can learn English speaking without any fail. So what else you want? Then you need only your confidence and speak, practice. My dear friends, I also say that when you are reading books, motivational books, and you are speaking with some parties, some delegates, and everywhere you are thinking that you are master, then nobody can stop you. When you are just enjoying your process, nobody can stop you. My dear friends, sometime in the starting, people think that on what topic they will have to speak. It is very easy. As I have told you that what is your daily morning rituals, then what you do in whole day, what you do in office, what you have done yesterday, how you are enjoying your work with your friends, colleagues. In that way, you will be improving. And my dear friends, I am not telling you that you will be fast in the starting. It may take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but you will have to review the condition accordingly. So in that way, when you are taking everything in your stride, you will be the winner and you will be learning, I tell you, wonderfully. People will love you. Just try. If any query from your side, most welcome to give comment box. your points. I will clarify it. But you will have to understand that you will be speaking much, much better than me. Then we'll see pronunciation. Then we'll see other things. But first, have confidence. Speak. All the best till my next video. Thank you very much.